In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize some key functionalities within Monday.com using the Team Trial platform. Let's get started on enhancing your efficiency with these easy to follow steps. First, you'll want to ensure you're on the right track by heading over to the Monday.com homepage. Simple enough, right? Open your browser and navigate to the URL specific to your team's Monday.com board. Once you're on the homepage, you're ready to explore the integrations that can truly enhance your workflow. Now that you're on the homepage, let's move on to our next step, which involves clicking on the Integrate button. This feature is like your gateway to efficiency, allowing you to connect Monday.com to other tools and services you already use. By integrating these tools, you can streamline tasks, automate processes, and eliminate much of the manual work that might bog you down. Look for that Integrate button, which should be visible on your board view. Once you've clicked on Integrate, a world of possibilities opens up. Here, you'll need to type Highlight into the search bar. This action searches through the available integration options and is crucial to finding the specific feature we're focusing on today. Typing it correctly is important because it ensures you get the correct tool from the suite of options that Monday.com offers. After typing Highlight, click on the resulting option to select it. This click is your confirmation that you're interested in what the Highlight tool has to offer. If you're new to this tool, spending a few minutes familiarizing yourself with its features can be invaluable. Essentially, the Highlight tool allows you to keep important tasks or information front and center, making project management much more visual and intuitive. Now let's integrate Microsoft Teams into this process by clicking on its option within the Integrations hub. Microsoft Teams is an excellent choice, especially if your team already uses it for communication or file sharing. Integrating it with Monday.com ensures that your team's conversations and collaborations are seamlessly incorporated into your project management workflow. Finally, you'll see an option to use template. By clicking on this, you initiate the integration process using a predefined template. Templates are a massive time saver and can help ensure you're setting things up according to best practices. It's like having a step-by-step guide built right into the tool, guiding you through the completion of the integration. Once the template is applied, everything should be configured to your specific needs, providing you with an optimized platform for managing and collaborating on projects. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of using Team Trial 2034.monday.com to integrate Monday with Microsoft Teams using the Highlight function. These steps will set you up for success, improving your workflow and saving valuable time. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.